Hey guys, so updating the form here, 852 million on Torrent of steel. So with this one, this is Vector Clan. Kadavu is the genius behind this one, I believe. So auto off, Dracula on the left, and then you just want lower level here. I put level 8 here, 6, 5, 2, and then Rhino Knights are lower level 2. Everything else is, these are all 10s. This is a 10 Angel. And auto off, so all the melee tends to go towards the Angel, and it just sits there amongst the Frost Archers and dodges everything. And then the Magic Apprentices die, and everyone just kind of gets in a group right here. This has a little bit of RNG. If Arthur goes off and starts killing all your things, which he can, then he can wipe out your army. If not, you're going to get a good score. So if Arthur turns the other way and misses your guys, then you're good to go. This will get you a lot of points. And if not, like I said, he's going to wipe it. So yeah, other than that, you guys should be able to get quite a bit, depending. Dracula's good here. And pretty much just the Peltests don't do any damage because they're just dying the whole time. So auto off, like I said, it doesn't look like Arthur's really doing his triple. Oh, there's that triple sword thing. A lot of times that'll take out a ton of your guys. So not that time, and then it just kind of goes good. So we're already at the 400 mark here, 400 million with a halfway point. So this one's going to do good for us, unless Arthur manages to take out some more of our guys. Okay, so see the Peltast, then they die before they get to attack. They kind of turn around and try to target something else. So they just die pretty quick here. All right, so we got 831 this one. The troops started fading there at the last part. But yeah, this is by far the best form out there that I know of. 852 million is really respectable, since before that I've been only able to get like I think 670 or something like that. So another 200 million is pretty darn good. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.